My favorite cinema is very visually driven. It's not like a play. It's like a dream. It's just a pure emotion. This film's a melting pot of movies I grew up loving. A Vietnam movie mixed with robotic sci-fi.
They've come for the child.
Gareth has this ability to inject compassion in a sci-fi genre that usually leans on spectacle and danger.
Gareth Edwards, he is a visionary, and these characters are all relatable, and you fall in love with them. I thought, oh my God, sign me up. I want to be a part of this.
What jumped out was the magical realism that he was able to execute. The depth and emotion that he was able to capture in every frame.
They're my family.
They're not people, Maya.
They're not real. You and I are real.
This isn't real.
Okay, and cut, good. And so going into making this movie, designing the world was really important to me.
What's so unique about it is instead of filming everything in a studio with green screen, we are shooting in these beautiful countries.
We shot in Cambodia, Indonesia, Nepal, Japan, and Thailand. We got to capture these stunning locations and then sort of like push them into the future. As we were making The Creator, AI has gotten better and better, and it feels like we're at that tipping point now. And this movie questions, what does that look like 50 years from now when AI is more embedded as part of society?
I think Gareth's really clever in how he built this world. Everything feels very organic and very grounded.
The way we wanted to approach AI in this film was as naturalistic as possible.
Whether it be the simulants or our robots, we found a really lovely balance, being able to show the tech, but also show that they think for themselves, they have feelings.
Che cosa vuoi dalla bambina?
It was massively ambitious, but Gareth's a director with an absolute vision.
This film will challenge what you believe. It's hard to know whose side to be on.
I don't think anyone's ever seen anything like this.
Metti la cintura.
It deals with what does it mean to be human? What does it mean to be alive? And can love kind of transcend those divides?
Those ideas are at the heart of this film.
The film deals with a lot of big themes like what does it mean to be human? And what does it mean to be alive? And can love transcend those divides and boundaries?
You're my friend?
Should we embrace it? Should we destroy it? Everyone ready? And action.
Gareth shoots in a way that a lot of actors love because he doesn't like to cut.
Keep going.
I love that process where we do these rounds of just takes.
He operates the camera himself. You know, he knows what he wants.
Gareth is not afraid to try anything, and anything goes.
We really went for broke. It's just a really insane, rich visual journey that I hope affects people in the way that I was affected when cinema blew my mind as a kid.
Stiamo lottando per la nostra sopravvivenza.
Veloce.
Hai localizzato l'arma?
Sì, è qui. È una bambina.
La bambina cambierà l'esito della guerra.
It's a really cool world. Visually, I think it's extraordinary.
We really did these massive spectacle set pieces around the world that lend themselves to like the biggest screen possible.
Sono venuti per me.
Alfie! Qual è lo scopo del vostro viaggio?
Essere liberi.